Yo, reliving the dream here with another unboxing must or bust. Today we got the Ascended Heroes pin collection. So we'll see if we can get some nice pulls. Haven't done very many Ascended Heroes quite yet, but glad to get into some more. Of course, last time I opened up the ETB, pulled up a few packs, got some pretty decent pulls. Hopefully we can keep that luck going. As always, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on this journey, and let's skip right ahead. Let's look at these Cosmo foils. One thing I've been noticing with some of this newer stuff is they're not really putting promo cards in some of these. They're more cards from the set in the Cosmo foil. I think the same thing with some of the other products for Ascended Heroes that I've been, like I said, noticing. But here are the three. Nice little Cosmo foils on them. I've always liked the look of these. But we also have a pin that it comes with. Of course, that's the pin collection. But not too bad. And you get your 4 packs. Or 5 packs, sorry. So you get 5 packs. Let's see. Like I said, we're going to be opening them all up just so you guys can see if this is something that's maybe worth opening up for you or not. I've always got mixed feelings with these EX boxes, but starting off nice with a nice hollow energy there. Hopefully that's a sign of good things to come. But some of the artwork on these Ascended Heroes are really nice. I've been liking them so far. Of course, you always get your duplicates from other past sets. And of course, they have their new energy and Pokeball reverse. There we go. A Mega EX on the first pack. So maybe that shiny energy wasn't a nice little start and foreshadowing a good pull. So let's see if we can keep it going. Like I said, so far Ascended Heroes has done me pretty nice with the last openings that I did. So like I said, trying to carry that over into the pin collection. Look, there we go. Full art too. Man. Even if it ended like this, I would be happy, especially out of these pin collection boxes, or not pin collection specifically, but just the collection boxes in general. Lately I've been having a little bit more luck, it seems like, here and there, but it's always a big hit or miss. That's why I wanted to kind of put these videos out so you guys can see if maybe you guys want to open these up. That's a really nice Raichu artwork there. I like that. Alright, can we keep this luck going? Ooh, Pheasantipity EX, and we do. 2 EXs, 1 full art, 2 more packs left. Come on, let's keep it going all the way through. We'll see if we can do that for once. Get a pull on every pack. That'd be nice. But other than that, how's everybody having luck with the Ascended Heroes, trying to find it out in the wild? I know it's been super tough for me. Most of these EX boxes that I have here, ooh, another full art, Wattrel full art there. Iono's Wattrel. That's a beautiful card. Nice. 4 for 4 so far. Can we end it on a 5 for 5? Let's bring the luck in, guys. Come on. Let me know if you guys think I can do that. 5 for 5. Last pack, pin collection. But yeah, even for these pin collection boxes, I ended up picking them up for a little over $40. Did get lucky once. Got a better. Wow. Another full art. Come on, is there anything else in here? King Gambit. Well, I'm not complaining. I went 5 for 5 in these packs. Let's check out these pulls. Man, that is the very first time I think I've ever done that. Woo. But as I was saying, I did get lucky. Local card shop of mine actually had some last ones that they did. Got them for 30 bucks for that one, but I had already overpaid on another before, but that's how it goes sometimes. Appreciate y'all watching. Till the next one.